Welcome to the magical world of the week. Did you know each day has its own special power? Let's meet them. I'm all about new beginnings. I may be tough, but I give everyone a fresh start. Monday is shown with a coffee cup, helping people get going, even if they feel a bit sluggish. Tuesday, confident. I'm here to get things done. Tuesday helps people finish their tasks. Checklists floating around him as he gives thumbs up. Wednesday, wise and calm. We're halfway there, just keep going. Wednesday gives a motivational pep talk, helping everyone see they're halfway to the weekend. Thursday, thoughtful. I help people prepare for the end of the week. Let's plan something fun. Thursday is seen organising plans and arranging events, looking ahead to make Friday awesome. Friday, dancing. Time to celebrate. Let's wrap things up and relax. Friday is full of energy, dancing around and cheering as everyone gets ready to enjoy the weekend. Saturday, excited. Let's try something new today. Saturday leads the characters through fun activities like hiking, baking, or exploring new places. Sunday, calm. It's time to recharge for the week ahead. Sunday is shown with a cozy blanket and a book, encouraging everyone to relax and prepare for a new start. And that's the magic of the week. Every day has something special to offer. What's your favourite day?